If you're dealing with late Instagram notifications, here's how to fix it. Start by opening the Settings app on a device, going to Notification, find Instagram in the list and make sure Allow Notification is enabled. Then check that Delivery is set to Immediate and turn on all notification categories. Next, go back to the main page of Settings, open Focus. If any focus mode like Do Not Disturb, Sleep, or Work are turned on, disable them because they can delay or block Instagram alerts. After that, head to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option Update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, launch Settings, tap General, choose Software Update. Ensure your device is running the latest version of iOS or Android. Finally, restart your phone to refresh all system processes. After completing these steps, your Instagram notifications will start arriving on time. So that's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.